Japan. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Japan. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the vlog again. So this is our day 3 here in Orlando, Florida. So our agenda for today is we are going to Epcot. So this is our outfit for today. Since it's very hot here in Orlando, it's very humid. So I do a little extra on my makeup. It's violet and blue, kapartner nung outfit ko. And it's a beautiful day today. It's very sunny again. Ayan. So, we are going to Epcot. It's like, there's a little country. Ilang country meron sa Epcot, B? Ilang country meron? 12? 11? So, may 11 na country sa Epcot. With different countries, you will meet different Disney characters. For example, Donald Duck in Mexico, Mulan in China, Belle in Germany, if I'm not mistaken. So, I think there is a certain time to meet the different characters there. So, we are now going down at the hotel and wait for the free shuttle. Time check, it's getting 11 a.m. So, our shuttle will arrive at 11:30. So, we will just wait down the hotel in the lobby. So, para hindi kami malate. Since medyo mahal din yung, yung lip, yung Uber. So, since free, we don't want to miss the free shuttle going to Epcot and going back. So, for today, we will depart the Epcot by, I think, 11 p.m. We will still, be able to watch the firework. So, bye guys for now. Pupunta lang kami sa lobby at hintayin lang namin shuttle. Then, we will go to Epcot. So, dito kami ngayon sa Epcot, 11:30 a.m. We are now waiting outside because it's already 11:20. It's 11:20 right now. So, we're 10 minutes early. Kasi baka mapaaga yung shuttle. Hi guys, we are now on our way to the entrance of Epcot. The bus was late by 30 minutes, so right now it is 12:30. So we will start our Epcot adventure at 12:30 after we buy our ticket, and then so yeah, yun lang. So guys, pinatuloy na ako ng security. Sila siguro pinag-ano pa ng bag niya kasi he has a big bag, so maybe that's why. So guys, a little trivia about the Disneyland if you buy a ticket. So we buy the ticket for 4 days pass. It's cheaper than buying the 3-day pass. So I asked already the counter kung saan kami makakamura. Tapos sabi niya, mas makakamura pa din kami kung 4-day pass yung i-avail namin. Kasi different day, different pass. So it's better to be early buying your pass. Kasi mas mura siya. It will be cheaper if you buy in advance and if you buy like the bundle of, for example, 4. So we still have 3 days to go. Our departure by 20 is at 8 p.m. So we still have the time to go to Hollywood Studio, even just for a little time. So by opening, we can be there. That's our last day, guys. We can be at the park by opening hours, and then we're going home by around 2 p.m. So, early check out na lang sa hotel. Then, papatabi na lang namin yung baggage namin sa front desk. So, maybe ganun yung mangyayari para we maximize our time here in Universal here in Orlando, Florida. So, baka pumunta kami sa 4 parks ng Disney. Guys, mas malaki pala itong Epcot. This is twice bigger the size of Magic Kingdom. Magic Kingdom is yun talaga yung parang Disneyland talaga. Tapos, Epcot, Animal Kingdom is a different theme of Disney. Sponsored by Chevrolet. So guys, kakatapos lang namin mag-ride yung pinaka-fastest car in the world. Yung ride, pero hindi naman ako natakot. Tinataas ko pa nga yung kamay ko eh. Kasi ano, for me lang, mas mabilis yung the fastest roller coaster in the world, which is in Dubai. So hindi siya nakakatakot guys, yung dito sa Epcot. Gumigilid-gilid lang siya. Ayun, pero it's fun na parang ma-experience to ride the fastest car in the world here in Epcot, diba? Guys, ang lawak ng mga daanan dito, as in bago ka makapunta sa isang destination, ang dami mong lalakadin. Siguro hindi pa to tapos kasi may mga ganito pa siya, may mga wall. Siguro gagawin din tong different countries. Kasi 11 countries pa lang yung meron dito eh. Kaya feeling ko gagawin pa to. It's not yet done. Guys, katatapos lang namin ng Soarin na ride. 10 out of 10, sobrang ganda. Kasi parang lilipad ka, tapos yung screen, ipapakita in different countries. Parang nasa Great Wall of China, na parang lumilipad ka. Eiffel Tower, in 4D, parang it's like you are in a real airplane that soaring around different countries. So right now, papunta kami sa Ratatouille sa Canada. Napaka haba ng lakadan, as in papakita ko sa inyo guys talaga. Sobrang lawak dito, parang hindi pa siya tapos, ang dami pang construction na ginagawa. Mexico, then on the right, India. May mga rides din ba dyan, babe? Ha? May mga miniature. Very nice ang Japan. So, nandito na kami ngayon sa Japan. We are going to eat here because we want Japanese food. Ang ganda ng Japan. Ang laki.
Parang pinaka-the best Japan, ano?
Oo. Sis, kakain kami ng katsuka para may rice kasi para may energy. Oh. Powerful. So guys, we are now here in Japan, in one of the restaurants of Japan. I was shocked because all the server and the counter, all are Japanese. So nice. Healthy pag ganyan. Pasok tayo! Kahit saglit lang. Kasi pagkatapos nito, malapit na rin tayo matapos. guys, we are in France right now and we're going to ride the Ratatouille rides here in France. Thank you.
Tickets mo, B?
Hindi ko alam. Dito lang yan kasi nandito na tayo sa France eh. Construction pa siya. Kayong bansa. Ay, Canada. Oh. Who is that? Ano pa? Signature. Kami lang dalawa dito sa may unahan ng boat. Gitna kaya tayo, B? Parang hindi ano. Yan. Para ano.
Ang ganda, ano, B? Ano?
Yup.
Bar.
Promote ang Disney lang eco-friendly, diba? Pumpkin,
Yeah.
edible root, banana, ano, hibiscus, miracle fruit. Bio, ayan o, hindi na nila didiligan yan, ayun o. May ano na, ipipindutin lang, tapos madidiligan na sila. Yeah. Sustainable ng tawag siya.
Yeah, snake worm.
Snake worm. Grabe, ang galing mo. Bio, basil o. Ang dami na basil o.
The fish provide a natural source of fertilizer for the
Galing nga
plants,
ba?
and the plants help keep the water clean. Department of
Grabe,
Agriculture
may scientist pa sila.
The goal of these efforts
Pinapadami no.
higher yielding as that plants.
Wala akong masabi. Disney, kayo na. Super yaman. Celery. Tara, tara.
Sige, tingin mo.
Oh, sige,
Tingnan
tara.
natin mamaya yung aquarium. Okay?
Oo, yeah. Yep. Ito na.
Don't worry,
Diba?
just keep your eyes open for him along the way. Oh, let's go explore. Let's go explore the big world.
Dory.
Ako cute. Ito, ang laki masyado eh. Oh. Laking coral. Pagkawa ko. Hi guys, dito na kami ngayon sa hotel and kumakain ako ng dinner. Itong rice ko, ito yung rice ko kanina doon sa Japanese restaurant sa Epcot. Dinala ko pa dito kasi nga wala namang rice, parang crave na ako sa mga rice. So, order lang kami dyan sa baba ng chicken. Tapos sabi ko, uulamin ko nga siya ngayon kasi parang gusto ko talaga ng kanin kasi gusto ko ng energy. Regarding dun sa mga rides sa Epcot, masasabi ko lang, para kang naging racer doon, nung nag-ride kami dun sa test track, parang, pag nasakyan mo yung fastest car in the world, parang naging racer ka, tapos meron din dong ride na para ka namang astronaut, so para ka talagang, as in talagang ikaw yung astronaut na nagpalipad ng jet plane. Tapos bumaba, naglanding ka rin sa Earth. Parang ganun. And then, other rides, meron dong parang isang dome na puro about fish. Yung parang may mga aquarium, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos may ride kay Nemo. Tapos doon, magpo-promote ang Disney ng greenhouse. Then, sustainability. Mga bagong uri ng kung paano mag-garden, kanya kung paano magpa-lawak ng mga keme-keme. Kung ma-explain. Gutom na siguro ako. So, yun lang guys. Please subscribe on my channel. Hit the notification bell so you will be updated every time that I have a new video. Like, share, and comment. So, that's it guys for today's vlog. It's 11 PM already. So, tomorrow maaga kami from opening to closing. Magic Kingdom naman. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.